channel. Today, we will look at 5 easy ways to recover deleted files on Mac. If, so, you know what happens, right? Your files just went to nowhere without notice. But feel at ease. This video will give 5 amazing methods to help you get your files back on Mac. Sometimes your files seem to disappear, but they are not deleted, so you can first check the trash bin. You may accidentally move it to the trash bin. Just click and open it. Chances are you will see your disappeared files here. If you find your files here, just select them, right-click, and choose Put Back to restore it to the original location. Also, you can use Finder to locate your files if you happen to remember the file name or extension. Open a new Finder window, choose a general area where you remember the file is, and type its information in the search bar. Then you can copy or drag your files to the desired place. Following are some robust methods. Now let's move to method 3. Restore your files from Time Machine Backup. Connect your backup drive to your Mac, open Time Machine, and navigate to the location where your files are. Then, use the arrow to reach the point where the files are present. Choose it and click Restore to get your files back. Now, method number 4, you can resort to data recovery software like EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard to help you recover files permanently gone on your Mac or even from formatted devices. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac is an ideal tool for Mac data recovery. It is user-friendly for beginners and professionals and can recover deleted files using advanced algorithms. You can recover any files found, no matter their type or device. Like audio files and Office files, videos or photos from SD cards, USBs, external hard drives, and more devices on Mac. You can click the short link in the description or visit the official website to download it. Once the installation is done, here's how to recover deleted files on Mac using EaseUS Data Recovery software. Select the hard drive, external drive, or SSD where your important data and files were deleted and click Search for Lost Files. Then, wait for the scanning to end. When the scanning is over, locate your files using the filter feature. Choose the file you want to recover and tap on the Recover button to save it to a safer location. The last method that may have amazing recovery results is using iCloud. You will have free cloud storage space if you own an Apple device. Just visit the official website of iCloud and locate photos or notes, or other files you want to recover, and download them to the desired location.